Oh man, he freaking slacklined it. That's a nicer fish, I think. Oh, not a giant. Man, holy crap. That's freaking sweet. There we go. All right, not a giant, but like Dylan was saying, just nice. I tell you what, guys, there are some days that pink slobber knocker is just the money bait. I don't know what it is about it. So, hey everybody, Jay Ball, Blue Days Outdoors. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. Want to make a really short video for you guys and talk about the last trip that Dylan and I had up in northern Michigan. So the water temperatures dropped substantially, almost 10 degrees in the past week and a half. We've got a ton of rain, ton of winds blowing all this cold water in from Lake Huron. And I mean, it's windy right now, so I apologize. But anyway, check out some of these fish catches. And I want to show you guys, I mean, this was a grind. We didn't catch a single fish, I think, for the first 4 or 5 hours. And this is Dylan and I's home body water. I mean, if there's one place that I know I can catch bass, it's this body of water. But man, I tell you, it's absolutely a grind. But check out a few of these fish catches and let me tell you what keyed us in on this one area to find these fish. I think it's a great tip and trick that I want to share with you guys to keep in mind when you got this fluctuation of all this cold water getting pushed into your local bodies of water, and finding a few degree temperature water difference is going to be key. So check out a few fish catches and I'll kind of break down for you guys what we're seeing this day. Stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss this episode. That one came back for it. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Pink slobber knocker.
Sweet. It worked.
There we go. Look at that, guys. It's been a grind. We've only caught 2 today, but guess what? Pink slobber knocker's still working, fishing a brand new area.
On pink.
Yeah, both on pink. So water's pretty stained, water temperature's down, but yeah, we're making it happen. It's been a grind, but better than working. There's a lot of bait in here. See it jumping. Huh, most action we've had all day. There he is. Oh, dude, that's a nice fish. Yep, that's a nice fish. Doubled up, dude.
Oh.
Is that a northern?
No.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, doubled up, man. Look at this, guys. New spot Dylan and I've never been to. He's got a big pike and I got a nice bass. Oh. I guess it's not a giant, but shit, nothing wrong with that fish, though.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Here we go, guys. Another one on the pink slobber knocker. Heck yeah. Get a picture real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, as soon as it hit the water. Dylan and I have been all over this body of water, but with the way the wind's been blowing, we thought this little canal might be juicy, and we just pulled up, and guys, first or second cast, check out this fish on a pink slobber knocker. Not a giant, but man, just a beautiful, healthy, late summer, early fall fish on that pink slobber knocker. Water's got some stain to it, so throwing these bladed jigs is going to be key this time of year, guys. We've had a ton of wind up here. Water's super cold, not really common for this type of year, or this type of year or time of year. So again, pink slobber knocker, nice chunky fall, early fall, I guess, late summer bass. So it's been a grind, guys. We just haven't given up. We've probably made what, 500 casts each today. And we're finally picking up, we finally got one, so see if we can't get a few more. Right. Yeah, dude, see where that grass is up there? Yeah. Right on the edge of it. Oh my gosh, guys, I was just telling Dylan that, you know, I think this is a little bit deeper spot right here, and as soon as this bait hit the water, you can't tell me that these bass, especially these nice summer bass, don't like a pink slobber knocker. Look at that one.
Dang.
Heck yeah. Yeah, right down that edge, man. Check that out, guys. Nice fish. You can't tell me fish don't like pink slobber knockers. Dirty water, clean water, they'll eat it. They'll hit it every time. Fish one bait in and one bait out. There he is. Yep, little one.
Dang.
Because they're loaded in here.
There they are.
Check that out. Pink slobber knocker. Maybe one day Berkley will make it standard. Until then, I'll just keep dying on myself. You know what's funny is this is how you and I started fishing together. Yeah. Oh, there he is. There you got him. Dude, I just caught one. Holy crap. Dude, I was getting a backlash out. No joke.
Holy crap.
This one sank to the bottom like yours. Guys,
Doubled up. Whoa.
all right, catch and release. You gotta touch him.
There you go.
There he is. Yep. On the good old pink slobber knocker. Fish on. And they are definitely in here.
Good, huh?
Not a giant, but still nice to catch them finally. After swinging and missing for 4 hours. Let me tell you, I've been here all day with you, and ain't no BS.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan Grubb here.
With outdoorsman extreme, no, extreme fisherman. You gotta say extreme. You're extreme fisherman now. There he is. Do your intro. It's a good fish. Sorry, I interrupted your intro. Check out this fish. That's actually a pretty good one.
Yeah, it
Look,
is.
there you go.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that pink slobber knocker. What do you think, guys? You think Berkeley should make a pink slobber knocker? Check that out. Beautiful fish. Dylan was getting ready to do an intro, but yeah, finally getting on some nice fish. Cool little black spot on him. Whoop. But yeah, keep grinding. We're gonna catch him today. I can tell you that.
Cool.
Want to get a picture of him?
Yeah.
You want me to go this way?
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, it was absolutely a grind, guys. But as you saw, man, this Berkeley pink slobber knocker paired with this Rage Menace trailer was absolutely getting it done. I've got this on the 60-pound pink python beyond braid. I've got this on a Vengeance rod, a 7-foot medium heavy, with the new Abu. What is this? This is the new Revo Abu reel, 60-pound braid. But let me tell you what we had identified. So the main body of water that we were fishing was 68 degrees. Now that's about a 10-degree temperature swing in about a week and a half. And this canal that we found actually had 73-degree water. We didn't really realize it at first, but I mean, everywhere we fished all day this day, the water's between 68 and 69 degrees. And we found that water in that canal that was 4 degrees warmer than the rest of the entire body of water. And guys, it was absolutely loaded. So it was getting towards the end of the day. We were getting really tired. We actually were thinking to ourselves, didn't say it out loud, that we should probably leave, but we just had to keep grinding it out. So, you know, kind of use this video as I don't even know the right word, but just like, keep going, don't stop. I mean, again, it's an hour-and-a-half drive up to where we were going. We made the commitment, we were gonna get it done. We caught one bass on a frog, and then we found this canal and we absolutely started train wrecking them. So just don't give up, keep pushing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, just a real quick short video showing you guys some fish catches, and then kind of talking about this late summer. I mean, it's September, I think 3rd or 4th right now. This video, we caught these fish a couple days ago. But if you have the same scenario where the water temps drop substantially in your area, and you want to find a little bit warmer water, sometimes it's 1, 2, 3 degrees. That's all that matters, guys. There's a ton of bait in there. We were trying to pay attention to our surroundings. There were some dragonflies. We heard some fish popping on the surface. So we're going to definitely keep that in our memory banks for next time. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Channel growth's been going pretty well. I think I just broke 3,600 followers. My goal is 5,000 for the year. So again, thank you so much for watching. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the water next time.